Steve asked me to give you a quick tour of our off-grid property, touching on some of the finer points of off-grid living here at Squatch Hollow, our first cabin in Kentucky. One of the main proponents to off-grid living is your food, because everyone's got to eat. I like to get all my ingredients off the land for cooking while I'm living off-grid. You can eat just about anything in the forest. You know, people get all uptight that they're going to cause a problem, but I've been eating this stuff for years, and I mean, it's just fine. In our off-grid property, we're big fans of artwork. Art pieces, furniture pieces from local craftsmen, stuff that really speaks to the beauty of nature. Like this end table made here by yours truly.
Isn't that just a log?
Well, kinda. You can't just get these anywhere. Off-grid living is a lot like permaculture. You've got zones and areas you do things. Permaculture is based on having the things you use the most closest to your central hub, like your house. And off-grid living, it's largely based on Instagram. So things like these tiki lights around your fire pit are essential for the proper off-grid experience. A new, more popular twist to off-grid living is rainwater collection, so you don't have to drill a well.
Seriously? They've been doing cisterns for like 200 years.
Yeah, but this one's plastic. So there are still some instances in an off-grid scenario. Now, we build 100% with hand tools, so we don't need power. On the rare occasion that you do, we have this energy-free generator. This thing is 100% not reliant on fossil fuels.
Doesn't that run on gasoline?
No, this one runs on water. Part of my recent lifestyle is staying in off-grid shape. So in addition to a proper vegan diet, it's important to keep your exercise up. I'm actually training for the off-grid Olympics. We're splitting some wood here. So again, back to that Instagram ready for the off-grid experience, I'm gathering some sticks for decor. So we're gonna make like some faux deer antlers here. I'm opposed to hunting. I don't like to hurt anything. I feel like the pioneer off-gridders back in the day would never kill an animal. I'm not going to either.
You know, the sheds just fall off on their own. You don't have to kill the deer to get the antler sheds.
So in addition to your off-grid infrastructure, a place you could use for an office, workshop, something like that, it's important to have a place when you're working on editing your photos for your feed. So I've got this shipping container, and when you're done, the best part about it is you could turn it into your house and put it in a tree. So if you're not fortunate enough or don't have access to a shipping container, your outhouse will do just fine. I get a lot of my work done here. Also great for that off-grid vegan diet. So that's all I got for today. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can catch the entire Asher off-grid playlist. Also, don't miss our most recent merch drop. I converted all the Asher videos onto LP record.